EBITDA in the studios. Samit, walk us through what the numbers are looking like.
Well, for Aptus, if you see, it was the asset quality improvement that has led to this strong beat in the numbers. Now, if you see the company's gross stage 3, that is the GNPAs, has come down by around 20 to 30 basis points on a sequential basis, and the previous quarter was around 1.7, and in this quarter has come down to around 1.5%. Along with this, if you see, the company's spreads have also held up pretty much well on a Q-on-Q basis, while the provisions have come down by around 5%. In the previous quarter it was 95 crore rupees, and in this quarter this has come down to around 90 odd crore rupees, and this is the main reason why we are seeing such kind of an up move in Aptus Value. Apart from this, on a sequential basis, if you see, the company's NIs have increased by around 7%, net profit has increased by 4%. Also, one of the key highlight of the results was the strong YOY growth when it comes to the loan growth. It was around 32%, and this was largely on the back of strong disbursements that we had seen in the second quarter of FY23. Now, moving on to PI Industries, if you see, on a sequential basis, another strong set of numbers that the company has reported. Revenue growth was close to 15%, and this was on the back of strong performance coming in from both these segments, that is domestic and the export. Now, domestic segment was boosted by on the back of new launches, the price hikes that the company had taken, and obviously the volumes were also high on a Q-on-Q basis, while the export segment was benefited because of favorable pricing and the currency movement that was favorable for PI Industries in the second quarter. Along with this, if you see, the company's EBITDA margins on a sequential basis has also improved to around 24.4% from 22.8% on the back of favorable product mix, favorable currency and operating leverage that benefited the company in the second quarter. Also, the company's net profit was higher by around 30 odd percent, and on a sequential basis, the company's order book also increased to around 1.8 billion US dollars from 1.4 billion US dollars that we had seen in the previous quarter.